Hi guys, Kelsey Kurls here, welcome back to my channel. If you read the title of this video, this is my DIY hot oil honey treatment. The things you're going to need are a microwavable bowl, your oil of choice. You would also need some form of honey. I like to use organic honey because I just like to use organic honey, and a conditioner of choice. My conditioner of choice today happens to be the Shea Moisture Mahuka Honey and Saphira Oil Hydration Conditioner. It has recently just come out in the UK. Happens to be an amazing conditioner. I will be having a review on this line very soon, guys. Let me know if you want to see that. So what are the benefits of using honey in your hair? Honey is a natural humectant which regulates and helps retain moisture in your hair. It has a lot of antibacterial and antioxidant properties, which then also help promote natural and healthy scalp, which then promotes healthy hair growth, keeps your hair conditioned, keeps your hair strong, smooths out the cuticles, which in turn reduces frizz. It can also reduce breakage. Now I've said all of the amazing properties and amazing benefits of honey, let's actually get started with this recipe. So the first thing I'll start with is the oil. Don't have no measurements, I just do it by eye and how much hair I have on my head at that particular moment in time. I think you guys should do the same. So I squeeze out some oil till I feel like it's enough, put some honey in there. I kind of tried to put like more 2 parts oil and 1 part honey, so it's not as much honey as oil. Put it in the microwave to kind of melt down and solidify the honey. Then I add in my conditioner. Depending on what my hair is needing at that particular moment in time, I might add more honey, I might add more oil, or I might add more conditioner. In this footage, the ratio is 2 parts honey, 2 parts conditioner, and 1 part honey. Sometimes I use a lot more honey, sometimes I use a lot less. So I mix it. At first it's going to start to look like it's not going to combine. Take your time and it will slowly start to combine to the point where it'll get this silky smooth glossy texture while it's still warm. Now add it in your hair. So I kind of section out my hair in kind of medium-sized pieces. I kind of run it through root to tip. I saturate it a lot in my hair, a little bit on my scalp also, and then I twist my hair up. So I'm going to repeat myself one more time. So I take a section of hair, kind of detangle it as I'm running it through my hair. My hair has not really been detangled a little bit, but so a lot of this is shed hair that you can see that I'm kind of removing. And I have to keep washing my hands at this point because the honey gets really sticky as it starts to solidify. If it starts to solidify too much, put it back in the microwave to keep it a little bit hot, but do not put it boiling hot in your hair. You're going to burn your scalp and give yourself heat damage. So just make it kind of sort of warm. Now that you've finished that, put on a plastic cap and leave it in your hair for 20 to 30 minutes. So this is what my hair looks like after my hot oil treatment, my hot oil and honey treatment. Half an hour waiting. It's been a little bit longer than half an hour. It's been about 45 minutes, I would say. And this is what my hair looks like. Very defined because of the honey and the conditioner. It's now solidified a little bit in my hair. Looks so cute. I'm very happy with it. I'm very happy with it. Now I'll go wash it out and I'll show you the actual finished results. Hi guys, so I literally just washed out the hot oil and honey treatment on my hair. Haven't used no shampoo, just literally just use warm water, which is basically what you would have to do, or just shampoo your hair as regular. I'm just going to show you what my hair looks like. We're just using just water, just to show you kind of how my curls are sitting. Literally I haven't washed my hair yet, but the curls actually look really nice and really defined and really soft, and I haven't even washed my hair yet, which my hair does need a good washing. It's washed day today, so just want to show you guys basically my finished product. Yeah, so this is what my hair looks like with just washing out the treatment. So yeah, I would use this basically whenever I would need. I feel like my hair is getting very dry. I feel like my hair is kind of losing its shine, because the honey is really good for shine. And it's a natural humectant, which is like good for moisture. So yeah, let me actually finish washing my hair, guys. Just wanted to show you what it looked like just after rinsing out the hot oil treatment. Guys, please try this. Please let me know if you try it. Take pictures, show me, follow me on Instagram, follow me on Twitter, follow me on Snapchat, tag me, tag me, tag me, tag me. Guys, if you like this video, please like, comment and subscribe. Be part of the notification gang. And like I always say, be the best version of you can be. Be unapologetically you. Hope you got something productive done today. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!